Welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling one of the most confusing concepts in programming, polymorphism. But don't worry, we aren't using boring definitions today. We are going to learn this with the help of our favorite police officer, Happu Singh. You see, Happu Singh is the perfect example of polymorphism. The word poly means many and morph means forms. Just like Happu is one person but takes on many forms. He is a scared son in front of Amma, a romantic husband in front of Rajjo, and a corrupt cop in front of criminals. One object, multiple behaviors. That is polymorphism. First, let us talk about method overloading. Imagine Happu has a brain function called speak. If he calls speak with no inputs, he just says his default line Aridada. If he calls speak Rajjo, giving it a string input, his behavior changes. He becomes romantic. Are Rajjo, Rani ho tum. If he calls speak 500, giving it an integer money, he says Niochawar mil gaya. Technically speaking, this is when we have multiple methods with the same name but different parameters inside the same class. The compiler decides which Happu to use right now based on what you pass to him. This happens at compile time. Second is the method overriding. Now things get spicy with method overriding. This requires inheritance. Imagine a generic parent class called police officer. It has a method called perform duty. A standard police would print I will serve the law. But Happo is a special kind of officer. We know, right? He extends police officer. He inherits that perform duty method, but he doesn't like the standard implementation. He wants to change it. So inside the Happu class, he writes his own version of perform duty that says पहले न्योछावर फिर काम. Technically speaking, overriding happens when a child class provides a specific implementation for a method that is already present in the parent class. The method name and parameters must be exactly the same. Java decides at runtime that hey, this isn't just any cop, this is Happu. Run his version of the method. Okay, so now we are checking the key difference. So we are wrapping it up. Overloading is like Happu reacting differently to his wife versus a criminal. Overriding is Happu changing the rules of the police forces. It is parent versus child class, same method, signature implementation mechanism. Okay, so overloading is static binding. Why? Because the code is bound at compile time. Compiler decides the code that when the code should be run. Overriding is the dynamic binding. When the object will be created, then first it will check the type of the object and thereafter the code associated with that class with the class of which the object is there means of which the object is created, the version is called. So it is known as dynamic binding. I hope Happu made polymorphism clear for you. If you understood the difference, hit that like button and comment aridada below. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding concepts explained simply. See you in the next video.